My name is Adam Schindler. I'm the CEO of Walters Wicker. We're a fourth generation family business. We produce furniture, primarily outdoor furniture, for architects and designers. We chose Furniture on Demand because it was the most advanced platform, yet very intuitive, very user-friendly for us to be able to pick up on, enter all of our products, get our catalog set up. Really within a couple of hours, we were ready to roll with the platform. Furniture on Demand changed our process by allowing us to streamline all of our standard products, get everything digitized in the system. We were able to handle orders small and large much more seamlessly, and ultimately resulted in reduced lead time for customers.
Yeah, Valia is an outstanding product that we use every time that we use the Virga machine. Really, it provides a library for all of our digitized patterns. So prior to digitizing, we would have to rely on physical patterns. You know, it was a problem for us trying to figure out what's the latest pattern of the standard product, where is the pattern. So now we basically have everything at our fingertips through Valia. The product management side of it allows us to make changes when we need to. And it also provides us all the tools as far as analytics on how much we've been cutting, what types of products we've been cutting. So yeah, it's very fruitful to have that kind of insight.
Our experience with Lectra as a first-time customer has been very positive. Everything from pre-sale to the installation to the follow-up support has been nothing but outstanding. I would definitely recommend Lectra to someone else.